So today, guys, I want to show you something pretty cool that I've been using a lot lately. I'm currently on the job hunt. I've been using the voice to type feature in Google Docs a lot, especially for cover letters. So I just want to show you guys how you can turn this feature on, how it works, and give you a little bit of a peek into my workflow when applying for jobs. So first, obviously, we need to open up a Google document, and then inside of this toolbar, we're going to select voice typing. And then all you have to do is hit this click to speak. And it should start dictating everything that you're saying. And I love this because sometimes it's way easier to talk about what I'm thinking instead of writing what I'm thinking. And it's just so much faster. So whenever I need to put together a custom, I guess they also be custom, but something tailored to a job application, and I want to speak to how my experience aligns to that job, I just open one of these documents up, I start talking, and then once I'm done, I hit this record icon, and that's going to stop the recording. Now, this is going to be a jumbly mess, right? Like it's just a straight, pure stream of thought. So then I take that kind of stream of thought and I bring it over to my ChatGPT. Now, my ChatGPT, I already have my tone and voice pretty well defined in here. In fact, let me see what it has. What is my voice descriptive? Okay. Perfect. So I've done a lot of tweaking to this to get it to, somewhere where I like it to be. And you know what? I'll drop this into the description below. So if you guys want to use it, you definitely can. But since I already have this so well defined, I'll just take this, bring it over here, and give it a simple prompt. Summarize this in my voice. Obviously, if it's a cover letter, I would say make a cover letter. But since, we didn't really do anything with that. So what it's doing, it's just cleaning up this stream of thought in a way that I can use it pretty easily inside of a cover letter or whatever it is. Just another tip, I never copy and paste directly out of this. I always copy it into like another blank Google Doc, and then I'll copy that doc. Here, I'll show you. So I'll copy this into here, and then I'll take this text and I'll copy it into wherever I'm using it. I found that for some reason that helps with the AI detectors. It doesn't set off them as much. So I've ran a few tests and it's crazy. So yeah, but that's how I'm using the voice to text to apply for jobs. I hope this helps you. If it does, if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.